Hey there, volcano enthusiasts! Get ready to embark on a fiery adventure as we dive into the world of the Kilauea Volcano, the ultimate hotspot of excitement. Known as the rockstar of volcanoes, Kilauea takes center stage as the most active and unpredictable performer on the geological stage. Picture this: molten lava dancing and sizzling, creating a mesmerizing lava ballet that has scientists and thrill-seekers alike tapping their toes in anticipation. With a regime boasting continuous eruptions since 1983, Kilauea doesn't believe in taking a break. It's the Energizer Bunny of volcanoes. So buckle up for a journey into the heart of the Hawaiian heat, where the Kilauea volcano reigns supreme and the lava flows like it's throwing the hottest party on Earth. Get ready to feel the heat, folks!